Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile Ultimate Royale. This exciting mode offers a fresh take on the classic Battle Royale experience. You'll drop into a compact map, facing off against up to 64 other players. The goal remains the same: eliminate all opponents and be the last one standing. However, Ultimate Royale introduces unique elements like special abilities and advanced equipment, making every match a thrilling challenge. Get ready for intense, strategic gameplay. Ultimate Royale introduces several unique mechanics that set it apart. Before each match, you select a class, such as the Medic or the Destroyer, each offering specific tactical advantages. The play zone shrinks much faster, pushing players into frequent skirmishes. Keep an eye out for special supply drops. These often contain legendary weapons or level 3 armor, giving you a significant edge. Also, remember that revive tokens can bring a fallen teammate back into the fight one time. To dominate Ultimate Royale, strategic teamwork is crucial. Work closely with your squad, combining your chosen class abilities for maximum impact. For instance, a medic can support a destroyer's aggressive push. Always aim to secure advantageous positions, like elevated terrain, which offers clear sight lines and cover. Efficiently manage your backpack, carrying only what you truly need, such as extra ammunition and at least 5 first aid kits. Use the map's features to your advantage, setting up ambushes or planning quick escapes. Achieving victory in Ultimate Royale requires constant vigilance and adaptability. Always monitor the play zone's timer and anticipate its next shrink, planning your movement accordingly. When engaging enemies, commit fully and utilize your class skills at the optimal moment for maximum impact. After a successful skirmish, quickly loot defeated opponents for their valuable gear and ammunition. Finally, as the match progresses and fewer teams remain, adjust your tactics, perhaps shifting from aggressive pushes to more defensive positioning to secure that ultimate win.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.